Hi, my name is Dr. Larry Biannotti, and I have the pleasure of teaching in our Psych-D program. I wanted to tell you a little bit about myself and talk to you a little bit about the courses I teach, and first start by saying congratulations. You made a great decision joining this program, and I know that the faculty and our founding dean, Dr. McLaughlin, has worked extremely hard to deliver a high-quality program with a terrific faculty, terrific reputation, consistent with all the expectations in the high standards of the profession you're about to walk into. I have been a professor for the last 35 years. I'm kind of a hybrid type professor. I have taught in 4 different universities, starting in the early days at St. Mary's College of California, where I helped introduce the accelerated degree programs, bachelor's and master's programs in management and health services management. And then I've also taught for many years in the executive MBA program at Sac State, programs related to and courses related to leadership and strategy and human resources, organizational behavior, exec decision making, and a number of other support in the capstone area. I currently also teach at the California Maritime Academy, where I teach the courses in strategy, organizational behavior, and work a lot with the master's students pursuing their master's degrees with their capstone courses. So I'm really excited to teach in this program. Even though that's half of what I do, I've spent the last 35 years as senior leader in a number of different organizations, Safeway stores, Long's Drug Stores, the Kleinfelder Group of Companies, the Cooper Companies, which was a very large healthcare company, medical device firm. And I try to bring to the classroom the best in thought leadership and the best in practical leadership. And I will have the honor, and I consider it an honor, to teach a couple of courses that I think will be of great value as you pursue your career. The first one will be leadership in the healthcare professions. Now, I think it's important, and you'll find even in my consulting practice, that I team up with a lot of Psych-Ds, actually, as we endeavor to work with different leaders and organizations and help them understand best practices in leadership and how to find their authentic voice in leading others. So we're actually going to take you on a journey of what good leadership looks like in the healthcare professions. We're going to have live examples, case studies, experiential exercises. You'll look at the best we offer in thought leadership, and it'll be really cool for you to understand what good leadership looks like. So as you start looking at case management and future patient interventions, you'll have a really good grip on how to really empathize and engage with leaders in the healthcare profession. Also, it's not uncommon for people with Psych-D degrees, to pursue a lot of careers within companies. And there's multiple career paths in the human resources, organizational, training and development, employee relations. I could go on in terms of what this degree does, because when the day is done, people are your most important asset in most organizations. And if you've got a grip on human behavior of people, process, and systems, and can bring the best together of culture, it's an awesome and needed role. So, leadership in the healthcare professions, course 1. Course 2 that follows that course will be organizational behavior. And this has more of an industrial organizational behavior feel to it. And you'll look at different ways in terms of how organizations react and intervention strategies and organizational development, and just have a good grip on how organizational behavior plays a really critical role in some of the best places to work actually in America. So these 2 courses are also important because as we look at your preparatory exams through the EPP study guides that you will visit shortly, probably in year 3 or year 4, these courses also provide a framework for that certification and accreditation preparation. So I love to teach. They say good teachers teach and great teachers inspire. I hope I'll be able to inspire you on our journey together. And anytime on the journey, if you ever want to give me a holler or virtual me out or Google me, let's talk. I'd be more than glad to be there to provide any coaching or mentoring or support as you kind of find that true north, that that path where you're going to be the difference and the change for the world. So congratulations, you're in a great program. Pine once said, "What we do for ourselves dies within us. What we do for others lives on forever." Well, you are now in a helping profession, and you're going to be able to change lives and improve the quality of life for many, many people out there and generations to come. It'll be a pleasure. I'm going to love working with you, and let's do great things together. Salute.